Everyone talks about peace like it's the goal, and passion like it's the purpose. But maybe it's not either. Maybe it's both. 'Cause peace without motion starts to feel like emptiness, and passion without stillness burns everything in its path. You weren't meant to be numb, and you weren't meant to be on fire all the time either. You were meant to feel it all. The quiet mornings, the restless nights, the stillness between what you want and what you're willing to give for it. The right life isn't always the loudest one, but it's the one that feels like yours.